The Alamo Group Snow and Ice team is expanding once again, and our new 15,000 square feet facility in Caledon, Ontario is here to better serve our customers in the Grand Toronto area.
The GTA market is a very important market for the snow for all of our brands. We have over 1,000 trucks in the GTA, and we felt we needed a bigger place to provide a better customer service. After a large investment in Worcester, Ohio in our US manufacturing facility, this is our next investment for the Canadian market. Our Mississauga facility was limited in terms of space. We didn't have a place to park any truck and not enough place to do all the service. Here we can park over 30 to 40 trucks at the same time, and we can pull 10 trucks in at the same time. So we're going to be able to elevate our service level.
This new Caledon facility is really changing the life of our service team. When you compare the whole Mississauga shop with this one, just for the inside, we are talking about a shop that is about 7 times bigger than what it was in Mississauga. Right now, we have this flexibility to get the trucks in and out or keep them inside for longer time. And we have seen that this is really offering the team more flexibility. One of the major difference and opportunities that this shop behind me is going to offer is the possibility for our team to work across all our Alamo Snow and Ice products. All the entire truck range, as well as snow blowers, airport cold blowers, and even sweepers. This is offering us the opportunity to add staff, and we are currently onboarding some of the technicians that are specialized in field service. So this is going to allow us to dispatch our technicians through the course of winter through your various locations across the GTA and beyond.
I'm personally proud of that building. I remember coming in 2015 with no truck in the GTA, with no shop, with no support. And I sold that first truck to a private contractor. And now with over 1,000 trucks in that big building, the team really pulled it off and we did a great job. And now this is the new Alamo Snow and Ice.